Here we have this 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DCB TDCI. Now it comes with the LED headlights with the large black grille in the centre, fog lights either side of the number plate and the nudge bar down at the bottom. We've also got the wide arch kit on this vehicle, giving this a great presence on the road. We've got the 20-inch black and silver Riviera alloy wheels just there with the side steps at the bottom. We've also got the silver roof bars at the top, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside with the grey door handles and side mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded top box at the back, and there is another look at the wide arch kit there. Now I'm just going to open this rear tailgate just there so you can see inside, and as you can see it's very spacious. To close it, just pull it down like so, and there we go. Now we've also got the parking sensors at the bottom there with the tow bar. This car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the black leather and the orange cloth with the isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the black leather with the orange stitching with the electric windows on the rear door. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats. We've got the leather with the orange cloth, and we've also got the WILDTRAK stitching there. Both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable on this side just there. We've got the electric windows with the child lock. We've also got the automatic lights with the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake, we just turn the key. And as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. We've got the volume and the Bluetooth phone connectivity with the function button on the left hand side, and we've also got the cruise control and speed limiter with the function button for the digital dash on the right hand side. Onto the main screen, you can see that we've got the satellite navigation, the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've also got the climate just there, so it comes up as a display on the screen, or you can have the manual buttons there. We've also got the Bluetooth audio DAB radio. We've got the manual functions here for the dual climate control. We've got the heated front window, heated rear window, heated front seats just there. We've got the USB ports here, automatic gearbox with the handbrake and the cup holders. Popping this car into reverse, and you can see we've got the display there with the guidelines like so. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DCB TDCI. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Now throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, we've got the volume button with the function buttons for the digital dash on the left hand side, and we've also got the cruise control and speed limiter with the function buttons for the right hand side of the digital dashboard also. In the centre we've got the satellite navigation with all the other functions which you'll have seen on our website. We've also got the dual climate control, we've got the heated front window and the heated rear window. We've also got the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for those summer days. Now when you wake up on that wintry morning, you can also put the heated seats on. Now onto the seats, we've got the half black leather with the orange cloth with the orange stitching, and we've also got the nice little touch of the WILDTRAK embroidery in the center of the seat, and these seats are very comfortable. Now I'm just going to be taking a right hand turn into the industrial estate in a moment, where I will perform an emergency stop. I'm just going to let this vehicle pass first, and then as we take the right hand turn, so as we go in, we'll just perform in 3, 2 and 1. Into reverse, you can see we've got the rear reversing camera just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If you've got any other unanswered questions or queries on this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.